Yes, unboxing. Hello guys, we are going to unbox the Defy microwave. So let us unbox it and we see what is inside. So guys, yeah, it's well packaged. It's a Defy 20-liter microwave. So let us see. Wow, it's really beautiful. Yeah. So the box is empty. This is how it is. That's the power, the opening. Inside, let us see what is inside. So there is a manual and a plate. Yeah. So
you need to position this in the center so that when you put the plate, it has to be balanced like that. So this is the power cord. Then you close. You can see on top here they are saying, warning, microwave energy, do not remove this cover. So the cover, the white cover is saying you mustn't remove it, because when you remove it, you can end up getting shocked and you can die.
And this is a glass in front.
And at the back here, what you are seeing here, this one they call it the power cord. This one here, when it is well packed, it sits into those points there which look like a socket. So you open it here, you can see how long it is, most probably a meter. Then you can plug it where you can, from the source of power. This one they call it a 3-pin plug, a 16 amp plug. So the amperage here of the fuse is 16 amps. Yeah, this is how it looks like. And two, you mustn't put any metallic equipment into the microwave unless you are advised to do so. Only plastic equipments, they go into the microwave. So when you position it there, you plug it into the socket, or whichever thing you might have. You might not be having a socket, or you have an extension cord. Plug it into the extension cord. You put in something here. When you look at here, this displays the current. It can either be low. If you want to defrost, this is medium low, this is medium high, this is the highest. So here, time is being displayed in minutes. You see it has got a dial. Even the top here we got a dial. This rotates to this, to these positions. These positions, they do represent what is being displayed here. So it depends what you want to put into the microwave. Down here, this dial here is displayed from 0 to 30. This means 30 is a half an hour. So these are 30 minutes. It means that when you turn the dial into 1 like that, that's 1 minute. You turn it into 2, those are 2 minutes. You turn it in between 2 and 3, that is 2.5 minutes. So yeah, that's how it works. You turn it, it is automatic. As soon as the time is finished, it will dial reverse itself until it goes off like that. So you don't need to worry that no, at what time is it going to go off or what. So that particular time when it has elapsed, it will go off completely. You don't need to be worried, but what you have to make sure is that you put the correct time. Otherwise, when you put too much time, you find when your containers in the microwave, they have melted. Yeah, thanks for watching.